So here we have the latest purchase from Cash Converters. It's a Metabo Jigsaw. I don't really need another jigsaw, but well, the deal was too good to resist. So I paid £3 for the tool and delivery is £5. So this came to £8 in total, and the delivery was really quick. So yeah, I can definitely recommend Cash Converters. I bought a few of my tools from them in the past, and the prices really vary. You've got to know what you're buying, and yeah, stuff can be quite expensive. But yeah, when I saw this, I thought it's got to be a mistake. £3. The only thing I can think of is it's 110 volts, so not so desirable. The 240 volt machines definitely go for more money, but I've got a transformer, so it's not a problem for me. I'm based in the workshop, so yeah, I'm quite happy to give it a go for £8 delivered. Got a few Metabo tools, and I find that the older ones seem to be better. I don't know if that's true. I haven't bought any of the new Metabo power tools, but yeah, they just, I don't know, they just look as sturdy. There you go, there's the price. It was reduced from £10, which again is a steal. Now I think, okay, right, I've just seen the box, and it's a slightly different model than I was expecting. I was expecting STEB 105, this is 135. So this might be a little bit newer than I was expecting. The box is in good nick. We've got a yeah, this, okay, this would be interesting. Right, let's open it up and have a look to see what's inside. Okay, right, yeah, so the deal came with the jigsaw blades. They're Black & Decker type, they're the Bosch type. I thought for the price, even if the jigsaw was no good, it's worth buying just for the blades. So these are new, they're new. They look quite old, but they're Bosch new ones. And then there's some random old-fashioned Black & Decker type ones in there. Here's the tool, right? This is the model number. It's pat tested a year ago. Yeah, that's interesting. So STEB 105 plus on the box. It's got STEB 135, which I think is slightly newer model. This one 2003. So this is a slightly older tool, which I think is probably for the best. What's this? Splinter guard. Right. There's a big hidden in here. That's quite a nice box. Right, I'll move that to one side. Okay, it has been used, but it's in very good nick. A few scuff marks there, some wear on the plate. It's got extraction port, which is nice. My Makita jigsaws haven't got that. So this is what I'm using at the moment, the Makita 240 volt jigsaw, and yeah, it's a really nice jigsaw. I've got this one second hand in quite good nick. I think I got it from Cash Converters. I think it was about 40 quid. It's got no extraction and the LED light doesn't work, but apart from that, it's a really good tool. So it'd be interesting to compare it to the Metabo. Right, how do you get the blade in this? Okay, so yeah, that's it. So the pendulum action's working. You see it's not moving there. And now it's rocking backwards and forwards. The variable speed works. What's this on here? Quick. No Allen key. I'll get. Okay, that's the blade changing, which is this, which sort of locking thing on a spring, which seems a bit crude, but it works. I wonder, it makes a bit of a funny noise. Maybe I could do with an oil, I don't know. Just take it down anyway. Come on. Do I need to do that more? Okay, yeah. It's going to take a bit of getting used to. You have to do it to. I think it's a big machine when you compare it to the Makita. Seems much larger. Yeah, this is 720 watts. This one 710 watts. Alright, I'll give it a go, see what it's like to use.